Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, we're back at home. I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick green kale smoothie, kind of inspired with the Mexican flavors for the Cinco de Mayo that we have going on to follow our series that we're doing this month. So stay tuned, I'll show you right away. Okay, so for our kale smoothie, the purpose of showing this one today is that most people always have issues consuming their vegetables throughout the days. So what I found easier for me in my diet that I have right now is to do smoothies to try to get as much vegetables and fruit in my system as possible in an easy, quick, efficient time. So what I have here is one mango. We're gonna peel the mango. I already showed you how to peel it, so we won't go too much into that. After your mango's peeled, all you're gonna do is take and cut down to the sides. Follow the core. You'll feel the core as soon as your knife grabs it. You want to stay as close as possible. Grab as much of the mango as possible. Discard the core. Set aside your mango. Next, we're going to grab about 1 ounce of ginger. Ginger, a trick I know to peel it is using a spoon. Now as your ginger is peeled, set aside. 1 large banana. Just peel it, set it aside. Next for the trick, 1 pineapple. I buy whole pineapples for one reason and one reason only. I find that I can get more pineapple than when you buy it already diced. If you prefer to buy it already diced, there's no issues with that. I just like to buy the whole one. I take what I want to use and the rest I freeze and I later on use for different kind of smoothies or shakes or preparations that I use. Now we're gonna dice it. We're gonna take what we need for this preparation, which is about 1 cup of pineapple only. The rest is yours to save and do, like I said, whatever. I like to freeze it to hold it. So 1 cup. The rest we save for later on. Now that we're at this stage, we're gonna grab our Vitamix. I bought already fresh squeezed orange juice. I always do. This one came from Mariano's. So all we need is about 1 cup. Two cups of kale. All our fruit and our ginger, of course. One cup of ice. The ice is just used to keep some weight on the top. It helps the kale stay at the bottom. So we're just gonna turn it on. As you can see, the color is really smooth, real vibrant green, which is what you're looking for. You know, this makes enough smoothie for about 2 portions. I drink the whole thing, but I mean, it's really good. So there you go, there you have it. A very simple green smoothie that you can make at home. Kind of Mexican inspired because of the mango. You could change certain stuff. You can use different juices if you would like. You can keep it as I did, very simple, but feel free to try. As always, leave comments down below. Please subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to look at other videos that we have already done. Any suggestions for new videos, we would greatly appreciate. Thank you so much and see you next week. Thank you. Now for our greatest test, we have a little tester here so we can see what they think. As you can see, he loves it. It's good for everyone. Thank you so much.